The Cordless Rebar Cutter PC-16B is a high-performance tool designed for efficient and precise rebar cutting. Powered by a brushless motor and a durable lithium-ion battery, this cutter delivers enhanced power, longer runtime, and reduced maintenance compared to traditional brushed motors. Designed to safely and cleanly cut rebar up to 5/8 foot diameter number 5/16mm grade 60, it provides up to 190 cuts of 16mm rebar on a single charge. With a fast charging time of just 3 hours, downtime is significantly reduced.